Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dikshit. Today is the 10 October 2021. So today we discuss about the string in Java. Firstly, what is the string? In a Java, the string is the object that can represent the sequence of the characters. The array characters can be work same as the string characters. For example, the character array ch is equal to the a b c d, and the string s is equal to the new string ch. So the string class can have the lot of methods that can used to operation the string class. With the help of methods are the equal to substring, uppercase, lowercase, compare to, index, length, and lot of we can discuss about after some time. So the Java string can be implements the character char sequence, serialization, and the char sequence comparable, and the serialization. The char sequence can used to represent the sequence of the character string. The string builder, and the string buffer can also the implements the character sequence. Also it implements the character sequence. So it can be used in a string class. So string is immutable. It means it cannot be changed. Whenever we can change it, the new instant can be created. New instant can be created. So we can use this with the help of three classes. There are the string buffer, and the string builder. So what is a string in Java? What is a string in Java? The string is the object that can represent the sequence of the characters. So we can create a string class with the two methods. It means two ways. First is the by the string literal, and second is the by the new keyword. So string literal. The string literal can be created by using the string literal can be created with the help of the double quote. For example, string yes in double quote, welcome. So each time we can create a string literal. The JVM can check firstly the string. JVM can check the string constant pool. If the string can already exist in a pool, so it can be when the string already exists in a loop. So reference can be the reference can pulled to return the instant. If the string cannot be exist in a pool, so the cannot be exist in a pool, so it can be create a new string instant, and it can be placed in the pool. For example, string s1 is equal to welcome, and string s2 is equal to the welcome, but string s2 it cannot be create a new instant. So we use the string literal. to make the Java more memory efficient, because we cannot be create a new object. We cannot be create a new object if it can be exist in the if it can be exist in a string constant pool. Next is the by new keyword. So in this case the JVM can create a new string object in a normal heap memory. So the literal will be placed in a string constant pool, and the variables will be referred to the object in a heap. The string classes methods are used. There are a lot of methods. First is the char at index, end with, start with length, substring, index of, and to upper, to lowercase, to uppercase, equal to, and compare, ignore, and etc. We discuss about the distinction between the array and the string. Firstly, in an array can hold the any data type, but in a string can hold only the char data type.